So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made $2,000 with only $100 US Google ad spent. So I spent $100 and I make in 24 hours $2,000 back, right? So it's all the profit. So as you can see here, okay, this is my Instagram, right? This is the life that you can enjoy and live if you do affiliate marketing properly, of course, right? Properly is the key word here. But let me show you how I made it. Proof over here, as you can see. Congratulations team, I got the email, you made a sale. Congratulations, you can see the date over here, right? Because it's US time zone. And you can see I made $2,000 yet again, right? So how I did it? Let me show you the secret, right? As you can see over here, right? I told you I used Google Ads, of course, right? Why Google Ads? Because with Google Ads, you're looking for buyers, right? Yeah, you could run TikTok ads, Facebook ads, but in this case, I choose Google search, Google pay-per-click, or let's call it Google PPC, right? Ads. So I place ads, I have the page, opt-in page, right? And I make sales. Now, as you can see over here, most of ClickBank gurus or people online or YouTubers are not showing you the secrets or behind the scenes what they do, right? I'm not using tricks or gimmicks because that's short term, right? You need to have something long term if you really want to make it in this industry, right? If you really want to have long term results, travel the world, buy houses, cars, whatever, right? Serious money I'm talking about, right? So let me show you here. You can see how to make money from home. This is the keyword. So what I do and what I will tell you to do is do the 15 minutes research, right? No copywriting trick or secrets will help you if you don't take 15 minutes out of your life to do the quick research, right? Like you're in the niche business opportunity, make money online, for example, right? In this case, I do the research. For example, I type in how to make money from home, and you can see over here, especially for people telling me there is no traffic, there is no buyers. How the hell not? Look, volume, 60,500 people are looking for this specific keyword every single month on Google, only in US. We have India, we have UK, we have US, Australia, Canada, South Africa, for example, right? You can see, you don't need 60,000 buyers by yourself. Of course not. You only need one buyer per day, one buyer per week to make $10,000 per month in this case, right? So you have to think smart like an investor here, right? You invest a little bit of time and some money, some resources, right? To have results with paid traffic, with paid ads. Once you have the skill set and knowledge and someone to guide you through step by step, you can fearlessly buy ads, right? Media buying is really important. If you can buy ads, place ads, make money. The life can be really good. Right? So as you can see over here, there are many variations of keywords, but people are not showing you this. They're not showing you this, right? I personally love to work with people who are serious, right? Who are not complainers, moaning how bad life is, how they don't have money, right? That's okay. But look, man, if you want to make money, right? Invest some money, invest some time, work with someone that will help you, right? Through each step along the way and show you what it takes. Of course, but you have to not procrastinate. You have to put the foot to the gas, to the pedal, to the metal, right? So yeah, that's important. You have to take action now. So as you're watching this, right, you have to understand there are people, there are buyers, specifically with Google Ads, right? People who are looking for a way to make money online. People who are looking for a way to lose weight. People who are looking how to get a date, right? Wedding, divorce, marriage, whatever, right? Call it what you want. All of these three big niches are plenty of people and buyers, right? Why do you think Amazon is $1 billion company? Why do you think Netflix is $1 billion company, right? There are buyers, people buying every single day. Just look around you, right? I want you to get this aha moment right now as you're watching this video and listening to my voice, right? Because I don't get people who say, there are no buyers, I cannot make money online. Yes, it's not your fault maybe because you followed the wrong person. But as you can see over here, right, 60,000 people, 90,000 people looking for this keyword every single month. And if your ad resonates, right, if you have the right message to market match, Of course someone is going to buy from your website. Of course you're gonna get $2,000 a day commission if the system pays you $2,000 per sale, 100% commissions, right? In this case. So it does work, you know. So if you're watching this video, if you want to get results like this, if you want to get someone to mentor you and coach you along the way, right, and show you which traffic source work best, how to place Google ads, how to make sales for free organically using groups, I don't know, Facebook groups or other options out there, reach out to me and ask me. After watching this video, you have the link below this video. And you can also reach me on my Instagram, as you can see over here, right? This is my Instagram. The links are below this video. Just click there and reach out to me. But only if you're serious, right? If you're gonna tell me I don't have at least $500 to invest or $2,000 or $1,000, right? Then do not waste my time, because I don't wanna waste yours either, right? It's just true, right? I'm not telling you what you want to hear. I'm telling you what you should hear, because this is the real business, right? This is the real strategy formula, and if you follow it, of course you're gonna make some kind of money, right? So as you can see, right, I love to travel around the world. As you can see over here on my posts, right, you can see over here on my Instagram, right, I enjoy 5-star resorts. Yeah, maybe you don't. Maybe you want to buy a house for a family, for parents. Maybe you want to buy a new car. Maybe you want to pay off the debt that you have in your bank account. I don't know what your goal is, right? But for me, as you can see in Santorini, Greece, over here, what was my dream, right? I never dreamed of that before. Here in Cappadocia, in Turkey, right? On flying in balloons. Sweden over here, right? Belgium, Thailand, Jordan, Israel, right? Australia, many countries I traveled to. It's over here you can see, and it's not that to show off. It's just to show you what is possible once you take action. Stop procrastinating, waiting, moaning, right? And taking action. That's the most important thing, right? Take action now, and you will see you will be able to get the results. So after watching this video, if you want to get results, click the link below, subscribe to my channel. You can share with your friends and family, right? And then let's get started. Let's put things into action so you can start having results and making money online as well. Again, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.